To show patriotism and solidarity of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Chief of Staff General Romeo Brawner Jr. authorized the use of Philippine flags in the uniforms. Ryan Nasino reports.
Forces of the Philippines Chief General Romeo Brawner Jr. ordered the use of Philippine flag patches on soldiers' uniforms to emphasize the role of the military in upholding the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the Philippines. According to Brawner's statement this Thursday, he allows all AFP members to wear the flag on their uniform on their right arm. He said, this initiative aims to show the patriotism and solidarity of the AFP. In addition, Brawner also mentioned that this was in line with the efforts of President Marcos in promoting the national pride and unity of the country. Before, the Philippine flag patch is only worn by AFP personnel when they are abroad and conducting exercises with other foreign militaries such as Balikatan. This is Ryan Nasino for EuroTV News.